Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have an order from the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole beads of the month. You can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for a single order, which is what I get. They also have a double order each for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other beads and Beads of the Month Club subscriptions to choose from. So you definitely have to check them out. So I already unlocked it, opened it, unlocked it. And let me see, I'm trying not to show you yet. And I got a really cool little bag from them. Let me see. I got a little note saying there's going to be a postal rate increase by 50 cents. Put this aside. And then it's been amazing 2 years since you received your first shipment. Oh, Mid-Month Club. Free Swarovski crystal gift and bead bag project. Oh, bead project. Okay, so this is for being with them for 2 years. Isn't that pretty? A little butterfly. And then I got another little bead bag. I'm starting to get quite a few of these from the subscriptions that I belong to. So this is really cute. Thank you. Put all this aside and get right down to the goodies. So here we have 2-hole Beads of the Month Club Cottage Bouquet and Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Sunset Drive. Okay, Cottage Bouquet. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at these. These are really pretty. I love these. I have become a Super Duo freak, let me tell you. And Sunset Drive. Oh, I love these little caps that they have. These are so awesome. I use these as spacer beads a lot in my projects. Ooh, okay, let me get everything undone. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the 2-hole Beads of the Month Cottage Bouquet. And the first one is HEL610. And this is opaque amethyst gold Helios Parpucas. 6.5 grams for $4. These are so cute. And let me show you how the holes work. You get one there and one here. So that's how the hole goes. And what a pretty color these are. I've used these a lot in just making my my hoop earrings. When I hand sew some hoop round earrings, these are fun to work with. Number 2 is DU05, and this is the Chalk Full Apricot Super Duos, 12.5 grams for $4.50. Look at these. Look how gorgeous these are. I'm addicted to Super Duos. I don't know what it is. And look at that coating on them. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to work with. So much fun. And there's a ton of them in here. I see some pendants and some earrings in my future with these. Okay, and next is WAV37. And this is the Chalk Orange, which these aren't orange. Luster Wave. I don't know if they made a mistake. But see, it's... Unless they're... Okay. Yeah. Chalk orange luster wave, 7.5 grams for $2.50. And these are really pretty, and they got the little, you can see that right there. They got the little curve on them. I'm not sure if this is, because these are not orange, unless they gave me the wrong color or it's just labeled wrong. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna throw these out. Next is NB65 Chock Full Apricot Nibbits. Nibbit, 7.5 grams for $2.75. These are pretty. They got that same coating as these. And these are, let me see. Yeah, so go on the side like that. There's a lot you can do with these. Love that. It looks like caramel, doesn't it? It looks like melted caramel. So pretty. I love the shape. I do a lot of markets during high season down here in Florida, and so I use most of these beads to make a ton of earrings that I sell. These are just a couple of my latest ones that I've made. Let me grab them. So I just made these with some of the super duos, like I said, and some fire polish beads, and then some of the seed beads. So I made these, and then a couple months ago, I think it was, I made these using the super duos. So yeah, so I have a lot of fun working with these. Hang these back up. In the middle of doing a huge inventory. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next is GNK87, and it's luster transparent amethyst ginkgo, 7.5 grams for $2.50. And these are really fun to work with. Look at that. These are really cool. These would be really pretty with these. This would be a really pretty color together. Maybe even add some really tiny black seed beads in between or something. I like to have a pop of color in between them. So got that. And the next is VEX58 Chalk Champagne Luster Vexillo, 40 pieces for $3.50. And this looks like a little bit like a pie. It's like pie shaped. Now, if you look, I don't know if you can tell, there's a dome at one side, and then on the bottom side, it's flat. So here's the two holes like that. These are fun to work with. Such a pretty color. I love this creamy color. Very versatile. And next is SAM57 metallic matte green Samos Parpucas, 6.5 grams for $4.25. And these, like I said, these have the flat side and then the dome in the front. Let me just, I'll do a, so yeah, so that's the back, and see the dome, and then this is the front. These are really, I use these a lot for my earrings too. They almost look like, when you sew with them, they almost look like little pillows. Okay, and last but not least for the 2-hole beads is BAR26, and this is the crystal green luster bar, 7.5 grams for $3.25. This is different from a super duo because the super duos are kind of like more oval, and these have like, they're oval when you look at the holes, but they're like thin and flat here. So you get a different shape with them. But you can use these in place of super duos for stuff if you're, you know, if you need the color, they can definitely work with that. So let me get the Hot and Trendy. Okay, so I'm back with the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Sunset Drive. The first one is TTH616. And this is a jet Azzurro tooth, 12 pieces for $3. Look at how cool these are. They literally look like a dog tooth or a shark. Oh wait, my nail polish is getting in the way. I don't know if you can see that now. Look at how cool that is. This could be used as something really cool, like especially with like Halloween coming up and everything. You could use this to make like, you know, fangs or something if you're, you know, making some kind of a little doll or, you know, like sewing something. These would be perfect for that because of that little curve. You could take this to a whole new level, that bead. Wow. That's why they're hot and trendy. And next, I love these TCP 42, the metallic blue teacup, 7.5 grams for $3.50. You get a ton of these. And I love using these as spacer beads. You can use them against each other like that. I used these in a video I did before where I did 3 pairs of earrings using the Adornable elements. And I used these and I used them with a seed bead in between each one. So I had a big bead in there, and then I put this, and then I did a small seed bead, and then I did another one of these, and I did it in a circular pattern, and they turned out so pretty. I put them up on Etsy, and they sold in like a day. So yeah, these are really pretty. Okay. And next is TCDD15, Jet Bronze. Oh, these are pretty. Jet Bronze Table Cut Coins. Oh, yeah. These are really pretty. And they have the one hole here. These are really pretty. Love that. It's got that table cut look to it. So cool. And then that's the side. It's got like a little bit of a coppery look to them, or bronze look to them, I mean. Yeah, very pretty. Okay. And next, these are fun. SNK06 Jet Matte Bronze Snake. 15 pieces for $2.50. Look at, I don't know if you can see that little, they've got like a little, almost like a little cut in them with this copper or bronze. I mean, like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, if you could see that little sparkle. And it's got a bigger hole, so you could use this if you want to, if you like are into like working with leather. I mean, it, you know, you could use these for that. It's got that little wave going on. These are really pretty. I don't think I have any of these before. So this is something new, at least since I've been with them. That's pretty. And I love that little, the brass or bronze little line on them. Next is DGR516, transparent orange matte laser etched rye dagger. 25 pieces for $6. Oh, look how fun these are. These are really cool. Their dagger beads are just off the chart sometimes. That, like that one they had the striped ones. Those are really cool. Yeah, but look at those. Look how pretty those are. You could do a lot of stuff with these. Okay. Oh. Okay. Get that down in there. It's filled to the rim. Next is RZ2 256 hyacinth Celsian Rizzo, 7 grams for $3.25. And these are like the little fun little almost look like little dagger beads. I use these. I made these little I don't have them, they're put away. I made these little circular earrings, like round ones, and I put these on the edge with a seed bead in between. Made these big round hoops with these, and these were a big hit at one of the markets that I did. So these are really pretty. They're just like a nice little bead to have, you know, if you want to add a little pop of like a shape to something or a zigzag. And next is PRG 36 metallic suede blue prong, 7 grams for $3. Oh, and these are cool too. Yeah. Here's see, they have that little curve on them. And you can see where the hole is on these. So this is fun. I can't wait to work with these. And last but not least is BM310. This is the Jet Matte Beam. Oh, these are fun. Talk about just a solid colored bead. Look at that. There's 3 holes in it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get the yellow mat between it. So that, and then it's really thin. Yeah, they just look like little bars with the holes in them. These are definitely a useful bead. Lots of really different cool shapes and colors and textures in this month's. Wow. So I hope you enjoyed this. Yes, look at all of these. Oh, I can't wait to start working with these all. Adornable Elements is a great company. So, like I said, I have my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link below to the code and their website. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned. I have another video coming up and I know you're gonna love it. So all of my information is below in the description, and I appreciate each and every one of you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel, and I hope you all have a great day.